China is a baggage left by Rahul Gandhi's great-grandfather Jawaharlal Nehru, who had walked through the streets of Delhi along with Zhou Enlai. Healthy criticism is always welcome. It's an important component of any healthy democracy. But unfortunately, of late, the criticism that comes from the Congress is devoid of evidence, and it is based on collaterals. And take, for example, any issue in the last 7-8 months. I said the other day also, beginning from the constitutional changes that happened in the context of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Will they ever make their stand clear whether they are in favor of the abrogation of Article 370 or against it? Or will they go on publicly to state that if after all they come back to power, which is not going to happen in any case, but if they do, will they promise the people of this country that they will again restore 370? They will not do so because they know the popular will of the people is in favor of what Prime Minister Modi is deciding. So they take up collateral issues. Why state converted into UT, why this, why that. Similarly, when the train started running, even during the corona epidemic, they would say, why not train running from Allahabad? When the train starts running from Allahabad, they say, why not train from Trivandrum? So they are not actually making their stand clear on the basic issues. Now, for example, even in the context of China, they started finding fault here, there, without realizing or conveniently forgetting that China is a baggage left by Rahul Gandhi's great-grandfather Jawaharlal Nehru, who had walked through the streets of Delhi along with Zhou Enlai, with the people around chanting Hindi Chini Bhai Bhai. And then whatever happened is history. The Himalayan tragedy of 1962, and we are still paying for it.